For many years, Voyager 2 relayed a consistent flow of information about our solar system's edges. Then, unexpectedly, its signal diminished. The faint radio whisper that had traversed billions of kilometers began to distort and break into rhythmic bursts before falling silent. The last known coordinates positioned it near an area recently navigated by an interstellar object called *3I Atlas. This marked the third recognized visitor from another star. The first, *1I, Oumuamua*, appeared in 2017. The second, *2I, Borisov*, came in 2019. Both were subjects of intense study, but 3I Atlas stood apart. It was brighter, larger, and emitted unusual light wavelengths that shifted in erratic patterns. Its surface reflected sunlight in a manner not seen in any known comet or asteroid. As it approached the solar system, telescopes monitored its peculiar orbit. Unlike typical comets that follow curved and elliptical trajectories, 3I Atlas moved with unsettling accuracy, as if remaining aligned with the planetary plane. Its tail expanded into an enormous, softly glowing cloud. Spectral analysis uncovered bursts of electromagnetic activity recurring every *84.6 seconds*, a rhythm without a natural explanation. As monitoring advanced, unusual correlations surfaced throughout the solar system. Magnetometers on Earth's satellites captured faint periodic spikes, once again, every *84 seconds. Deep space antennas in Australia and Spain identified corresponding fluctuations in background noise. Even instruments aboard Mars orbiters detected brief disturbances aligned with the same timing. It was as though a single, coherent pulse reverberated throughout the inner solar system, subtle yet detectable. The source remained elusive. Some speculated that the interstellar object released energy in a controlled pattern resembling a transmitter. Others theorized it interacted with the Sun's magnetic field, generating a resonance that spread through interplanetary space. As 3I Atlas drifted farther from the Sun, the pulse persisted. It did not weaken as anticipated. Instead, it retained intensity beyond Jupiter's orbit. Observations indicated that the object's brightness increased whenever the pulse intensified, almost as though responding to an unseen signal. Meanwhile, the quiet signal thought to be from Voyager 2 continued to resonate across the deep space network. Analysts noted something remarkable when comparing waveforms. The intervals between each pulse gradually shifted, drifting in a way that seemed to convey data. When transposed into frequency plots, these variations illustrated geometric patterns akin to harmonic ratios, suggesting a mathematical structure rather than mere static noise. If accurate, this indicated that Voyager's transmitter produced organized output, a structure indicating intentional modulation. Yet, the spacecraft was never designed to operate this way autonomously. Some speculated that the probe's electronics might have been influenced by an external source, potentially the electromagnetic field created by the interstellar object. This raised an intriguing question. Was this communication or contamination? If natural, 3I Atlas could represent an interaction of matter and energy unknown to current physics, capable of altering radiation patterns across vast distances. If artificial, it might signal the first evidence that something beyond human notice was observing us. As 3I Atlas took its leave from the solar system, its light diminished, yet the rhythmic pulses continued. Ground-based observatories noted the same intervals subtly embedded in radio noise from deep space, as if the pattern integrated into the cosmic background itself. The data implied a resonance effect, a standing wave extending between planetary magnetic fields, sustained by the energy of the passing object. In practical terms, this phenomenon remains unexplained. No natural mechanism fully accounts for it. Theories range from plasma resonance to quantum interference to controlled transmission by an unidentified device. One certainty is that Voyager 2, our furthest explorer, ceased communicating in the language we designed for it, and began emitting something entirely new. It's easy to entertain the notion that within that faint rhythm lies crucial information, perhaps a response to the golden record on board, or something completely different. However, science necessitates patience. Each signal must undergo rigorous analysis, every anomaly examined, and every theory tested. For now, we are left with a question suspended in the silence of interstellar space. The pulse endures. The object proceeds. Voyager 2 glides through the darkness, its transmitter active, its course unchanged. It's conceivable that the spacecraft has morphed into a relay, an unintentional participant in a communication network vaster and older than our comprehension. Or perhaps it has merely traversed an invisible boundary where human technology can no longer function as intended. Regardless of the truth, 3I/ATLAS has underscored our limited understanding of the cosmos between stars. It has illuminated that even a faint pulse emerging from the Sun's sphere can challenge our perceptions of what is natural and what is feasible. And somewhere, within the tranquil expanse of interstellar space, that pulse carries on, steady, remote, unbroken.